Here's a 2017 BMW X6. Its design conveys power. Its engine delivers. This sports activity coupe is built to lead. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Twin-turbo V8 engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, 14-way power seats, front and rear parking sensors, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Car and Driver proclaims, a star in the rhombus-shaped segment, the weird but intimidating X6 continues to be a surprisingly delightful vehicle to drive. For unbeatable performance and unmatched style, drive BMW. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.